Welcome to another episode of Birdies and Bass. Today, this vlog will be taken over by our sponsor, Swing Academy Davao. If you're in need of indoor golf, indoor practice, head to Swing Academy located in Lapu-Lapu Street, Agdao, Davao City. So, they will be sponsoring the next 3 videos that I will be posting today for 1 million pesos. and and we will be featuring their junior golfer, Blair Uiking. So Blair will hit her tee shot. We are at hole number 1, Palos Verdes. Wow. Wow, wala na yung mas tunga ana guys because of Swing Academy. No. Blair, can you explain your shot? By the way, Blair hit her driver 200 yards farther than Ken's tee shot.
I'm using a 3-wood. I'm going to target right and it's gonna draw towards where the green is. Yeah.
Wow, what a natural. Wow! Yaw! Good shot.
Thank you.
Wow! Dapat din ay camera filmi.
It's 90 yards and it's uphill, so I'm gonna overclub a little bit. Hit like pitching wedge, please.
Wow!
Go.
Ligid. Wow! 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 Wow!
Grabe!
Yaw, hapit to sulod ba?
You need the camera following me, man.
You need to start your own channel. For birdie, mga 3 feet. Wow! Palakpak. Nice birdie.
Thank you.
Tune in for our Tune in to our next video.